Hey everyone, Victoria here from Credit Fix Solutions, and I have a really interesting case study for you today, and it is client ID 7898. Now, our client came to us not with defaults and not with court actions, but with 3 missed payments on his mortgage in the last 24 months. And he could not move with the lender option that he needed. I believe it was refinance, but we can double check that later on. But he couldn't get his finance done. So 3 missed payments, that's all it was, and he was completely stuck. Now, usually we don't take on RHI, which stands for Repayment History Information cases, because it's very difficult to amend missed payments. Unless the lender has made a clear error in reporting, they cannot amend those. Now, in this case, we believed he had grounds, so we did take on his case. He came on board on the 8th of January 2025, and we had an email back from the lender on the 13th of January, so within a week or two, agreeing to amend the missed payments. Now, his score went from below average to 1150. That's just from missing 3 repayments. Now, imagine if you're not receiving your statements and you haven't paid your credit card on time, you could be going from a really great score down to a terrible score just by missing 2 or 3 payments. So make sure you're up to date with all of your statements. Make sure you're receiving them. Make sure if you move house that you change your address and update. Are you receiving statements via email? Have you got a diarised note if you've got several loans when your payments are due, to double check that maybe there isn't an annual fee coming up or something that maybe you've missed, an interest rate change? That is so important with keeping your credit report and credit score healthy. If you'd like any education or any help or assessments with credit reports, please feel free to get in touch. Go to the website or send us an email, and we look forward to helping. Thanks for listening.